What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. If you're new, my name is Rhonda, and this is One Load at a Time. I bring you all good cleaning motivation, decorating, and some lifestyle content. I am so excited you decided to click on this video today. It's been a minute. It's been over a month since I uploaded a video. As I'm sure you can tell, I still have up Valentine's Day decor in this video. And I recorded this video about maybe the third week of February. So it was after Valentine's Day, but I got sick shortly after I recorded this video, and I was down for about 2 weeks or so. And then I had some other personal issues happening in my life that really just caused me to step back and reevaluate some things. And I'll talk to you guys about that a little later. But today I just want to show you what this kitchen looked like and the transformation that took place. I hope that you are inspired and motivated to get up and clean with me and tackle some of the things on your to-do list. If not, feel free to just sit back and enjoy the music and watch me clean. So like so many other families, the kitchen is like the hub of the home. We enter, from our garage into the kitchen, and we drop book bags and purses and keys and coats and everything else right there in the kitchen. And it seems to always, just get messy, no matter how soon or how many times you clean the kitchen. Something always ends up messed up, whether it's a dish or the floor, something spilled. So I always like starting in the kitchen when I clean my whole home, because it's just something about having a nice, clean, fresh kitchen to walk into, to wake up from after a long night or whatever. Just walking downstairs into a clean kitchen is just so peaceful for me. So I try to keep this area of the house clean most of the time. But like I told you before, I had been sick for a minute, but this mess right here was before I started getting sick. So just imagine what it was after I was sick. But I still managed to try and keep the dishes out of the sink or whatever, and keep this area nice and clean just in case we had company, because people seem to like to either call or drop by or whatever. So I at least want this area of my home to stay clean, just for those occasional visitors who drop in. What about you guys? Do you guys like to start cleaning in your kitchen, or do you start in your bedroom? Leave me a comment and let me know where you actually like to start cleaning. What area gets you motivated and helps you to keep going once you start cleaning.
you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy.
I picked up that yellow runner from Ross, like at the end of January maybe. They had already started putting out their Easter decor. So I actually took all of this Valentine's Day decor down right after this video. I really don't know why I left it in the video. I should have been taking all of that down at the same time, but I wasn't thinking about it. Like I said earlier, I'd been going through some things in the month of February, things that caused me to reevaluate some relationships, some people that were close to me. And, you know, sometimes in life that's needed, where you reevaluate your relationships, because sometimes people, you know, will either use you or make you think that you're not worthy of their love, when in fact, you know, you are the blessing in someone else's life. Don't ever let anybody think that you're not worthy of, you know, of having the best in relationships. And it goes both ways, but don't let anybody, you know, make you feel like you're less than. And I feel like I went through that a little bit in February, where, you know, just some relationships, some things that happened in some relationships were just called into question. But I'm so happy that, you know, I have a strong support system around me, and some tried and true friendships that were, you know, 20 plus years, plus the support of my husband, just so we could come out of that. You know, sometimes you open yourself up to people, and, you know, it takes a lot sometimes especially for me. I can only really speak for myself, being that I'm, you know, a private person. It takes a lot for me to open my heart to new people. And when I do that and it doesn't go the way that I want it to go, it can be hurtful. But I think I'm at the point in my life right now where I'm realizing my worth and what I actually bring to the table in relationships, and all of my relationships, to where if you no longer want to be in my life, then that's fine. I can move on and you can move on, and that's fine. It's whatever works for you and whatever works for me. But I'm realizing that I am a blessing in someone's life, and I'm so thankful now that I'm at the age that it doesn't hurt like it used to 20 years ago for me. So I'm just grateful for that growth in my life. What about you guys? How do you feel about that? As far as the relationships are concerned, do you take the time to just reevaluate your relationships? Do you recognize when you're not being appreciated in relationships, taken for granted, or being used? Drop a comment and let me know.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
So if you're still cleaning with me, go ahead and drop a purple heart in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would definitely love to have you be a part of this one load at a time family. So I know we're way past Valentine's Day, but that vase in the middle of my island with love on it. So I'm not sure if you know, but The love sign is actually from Dollar Tree, and I just took 4 of those signs and glued them together with like some hot glue and E6000, and this has lasted me now for about 3 years. I'm so proud of it that it's still standing. I thought it would have broken or chipped or something by now, but I wanted to make some more to put around the house for next year, so I gotta leave a note to myself so I can do that. Have you guys finished decorating for spring? I know we're well into spring now, but have you guys even started, or are you still pacing yourself, or just have so many things going on like I do, where you're kind of behind a little bit, but you still plan on decorating for spring? Let me know.
Stroll downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. Close, my heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street, in the neon light. Let the music on repeat all through the night. To fade out, the first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end, so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. Show you pretty much everything that I do coming up for the spring season, and I'm gonna break it down because there are some things that I want to clean, like all of the doors in my house and in the kitchen, all of the cabinets, top, bottom, inside and out, and it's gonna take me a minute to get through everything, but I'm gonna take my time and do everything in parts to bring you guys the maximum cleaning motivation for spring. It's a lot that needs to be done. Some things that haven't been done since we moved in the house 4 years ago. So it's time for me to get all of these things clean and refreshed moving into spring and summer. It may actually take me a couple of weeks to get everything done, but I'm gonna take my time and get all of this content out to you guys.
And I just want to thank you too for rocking with me, for supporting my channel. It's fairly new. I've only been uploading videos since November, so I really appreciate you guys and rocking with me for this long. I can't wait to bring you guys even more great content here in the near future. I didn't get a chance to clean the family room in this video, but I do have a video that we'll put out later on this week with cleaning the family room and taking all of that down, the Valentine's tree and all of the other B-Day decor out of the family room. But I just want to thank you guys again for tuning in today to this kitchen cleaning motivation. I look forward to bringing you more great content here later on this week and in the weeks to come. Again, if no one has told you today, you're worthy. You are amazing. Go and be great in everything that you do. Be confident and know that you are loved. Have a great one.